Sideline app review. Is it the best app for second phone number? So Sideline is a mobile app that gives you a second phone number on your device. It's designed for professionals, small businesses, and anyone who wants to separate personal and work calls without needing another phone. So let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, it offers reliable call quality using the carrier network instead of just Wi-Fi. It also uses the business-focused features like the team number, sharing, and auto reply. It also offers custom voicemail and branding options. They also have a work across multiple devices with your existing carrier plan, and it's great for professionals, freelancers, and small businesses. The cons is though, it requires a paid subscription. There's no free tier like the Google Voice. It also lacks the extra privacy features like encrypted messaging, and it can be unnecessary if you only need a disposable number. So overall, it's one of the best apps for getting a reliable second phone number.